My name's Orlando Williams. Music is actually my balance, so to say, do I like it? It channels different energy and it actually neutralizes what I do. It's like kind of part of me, so it's not really a sum of whether I like it or not. You know, it's part of me, almost like you would treat a superhero with a superpower. So that's basically my superpower. One of my favorite artists is Gerald Albright. He's a great saxophone player that plays many styles. He's a lot like me. I'm not stuck on one style. I kind of tour with people like Snoop Dogg, so that tells you that I'm not stuck in one realm of music. I started out in gospel music, then I seen that I wanted to kind of, like I said, branch out and kind of explore the universe of music. Work at Verizon, and with Verizon, I'm actually I kind of have a musical heart, so I approach even people like it's entertainment. So when I'm sitting in front of somebody just selling a phone, it's the same thing. I'm entertaining them at the same time. And I had one lady a few weeks ago, she was like, I want to go to the smiley one over there. So. I felt like perspective and artistry is just like telling a story. It's always a start, a middle, and an ending. So now I approach music like a story. Sometimes a story can be told backwards, but sometimes it can be told forward, or it can start from the middle. So each song has a storyline, and I always approach it that way. The thing that I end up gaining leaving the big city, because I've always lived in a big city. I moved from Michigan to Cali, Cali to Vegas, Vegas to Georgia, then from Georgia to here. This was the only place that didn't give me road rage. One of the places that I play quite often is Wine Mountains. That's one of the places I play at. And I'm about to start speaking to a few agents. I'm not going on tour anymore because I've been touring since I was 15, but I'll call it a short tour. So I'm gonna be hitting different spots this summer. My stage name is Saxy Orlando Williams, SAXY-ORLANDO-WILLIAMS. That's one word. You'll be able to put that in and find me, especially some of my EPKs and things like that on YouTube.